the shots and got in a barroom night. Empty party Valentine from the Apple Hall. She's just about to live in a pool of blood. Cries out, my God, they killed more. Becomes the story of a hurricane. The man authorities came to blame for something that he never done. Put in a prison cell, but one time he could have been the champion of the world. Three bodies lying there, the spotty sea, and another man named Bella bumming around mysteriously. I didn't do it, he says, with the girls out of his hands. I was all around in the register, I hope you understand. Southern living says and stops. None of us had better call up the cops. And so Patty calls the cops, and they arrive in the scene with the red lights flashing on a hot New Jersey night. Meanwhile, far away in another part of town, Robin Carter and a couple of friends are driving around. Number one contender for the middleweight crown. Had no idea what kind of shit was about to go down. They could pull him over to the side of the road, just like the time before that. And Patterson, that's just the way things go. If you look like you might as well not show up on the streets unless you wanna drive it here. Now all of them was caught in 19 advance. The trial was a big circus, he never had a chance. The judge made robbing witnesses, all drunkards from the slums. And to the black folks, he was just a revolutionary bomb. And to the black folks, he was just a crazy